out here. It's a little sunny. We'll try. If you want to come this way a little bit, like towards me, like right there. Can you turn your wheels this way a little bit? Yeah, like right there. It's really bright here.
I don't know if I can get up there. Yeah.
You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. A little jumpy jumpy. Oh, that looks really nice actually. Can you get to the center or do you want to stay there? Too dangerous? That's fine, it looks good here too. Oh yeah, stay right there. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Can you put your foot down a little bit? That looks good. I think it would look a lot better if you sat in the middle. Is it too dangerous? If you could just get in the center here and like back up a little bit. Okay. Want to look towards me? Oh, that's good. Just stay right there. Okay, I'm gonna get some shots in the front here. Oh, that looks nice. I don't know about this arrow here. Can you come up? Yeah, I'm gonna tell him to go up a little bit. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, right there. I gotta back up again a little bit. I'm gonna try to utilize that graffiti in the background, even though it's really blown out right now. Gonna get ultra far back here. Even further back. I'd have to change my aperture to get it all in focus, maybe to f4. Bump it up a little. Looks okay. I'm gonna go back to the shady area because it's looking really bright right there. Oh, that looks nice right there. These colorful lights. To raise the ISO a bit. Do you think you could actually turn the truck the other way on the same path?
You go face this way?
Yeah, and then stop in the same spot?
I can do that.
You want to come out and like stand on the side here? You can just like lean on the side maybe. Okay, that looks good. It looks cool because you can see the graffiti reflecting off the car too. Just hold there. Can you stand like in front of the truck a little bit? I don't know if that's gonna look... Yeah, maybe like in the middle, kind of just like leaning back on it. Yeah, like right there, that's perfect. Yeah, don't crack that. Can you come to your left a little bit? That looks good. Maybe look towards me. Just hold there. Stay right there. Look over there a little bit. Can you roll this one down? Can you roll it up a little more actually? Like barely. A little more. A little more. Okay, don't move from that spot. Stay right there. Give me 1 sec. You want to keep driving around? Can you park like right here or here? Yeah, just come. Good. look at me. Get out. Want to sit on the side of the wheel again?
On the side of the wheel?
Uh-huh.
Yes, I can.
It looks kind of cool with this building and these graffiti things. Okay. Can you sit on your wheel again? Okay. Oh, that's a good idea. Sit there. That's good. Very good. Sound nice?
What?
It looks sick. Just stay right there. Stay right there.
Huh?
You can sit there still.
Oh, sorry. I couldn't hear you over my fans.
A little too loud. Oh, yeah. Gotta back up. Some of these are kind of cool.
Dude, that's actually kind of fucking slick, Rooney. I look like a country boy. Dude, sick.
Okay, let's see. Just look down towards me for a sec. Yeah, just right there is perfect. Can you look down like at the bed of your truck, like not looking at me now? I'm gonna get your boots. Can you turn this one to the, like, towards me a little bit?
This one?
Yeah. That's good. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, I'm just gonna try some things over here.
Alright.
Give me a second. Can you come out and stand on the side here for a second? We gotta go quick.
I got you.
You just lean, yeah, lean against that. Can you look to your left a little bit? Yeah, right there. Can you come back here for a sec? Maybe like sit on that thing or just do like something that doesn't feel too awkward to you. You gotta raise the ISO a little bit. Okay, I think we're good there.
Alright, sir.
Can you roll this down a little? Okay, look at me. Oh yeah, stay right there. Don't move, don't move. I gotta raise my ISO. Okay, don't move.
Stupid ass.
I'll get a few shots and then I might ask you to come back out again.
Alright, that's fine.
I know. You want to just stand next to your truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, like right there.
Before the mirror or after the mirror?
Maybe before the mirror, actually. Yeah. Looks better with the bridge. Can you come up here, like towards me? And keep coming, like on this arrow maybe? Yeah, like right there. Can you come this way a little? Can you be like right in the middle of that arrow? Yeah. This looks kind of cool.
Yeah, smell like gas. I like it. Those
Okay.
noises were interesting. Like, I wanted to try them out. I think they came out kind of
I think it looks nice. It's different.
different.
You back up. You back that way. Other way. That way. Keep going. Good. Do you want to get out and just stand in the middle of here real quick? There's no one around. Just like in the middle, like on this green here. Right there. One sec. Okay, look at me. Let me get a little closer up. Okay, you ready? You can stay here, just look towards me. There's a truck in the background. Look towards me.
Oh, of course, yeah. I was like, what?
This kid likes to blink a lot.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, we're good.
Stop it.
Forward. Okay, stop. We got a few.
I appreciate you, Beat. Dude, taking pictures of you is hella fun. I'm glad.
Yeah, I love it.
I'm crying.
What is happening? Oh, I had a choking attack last night on Sun Chips. Okay, go down, go down. Go down. Okay. One sec.